It's
gonna grow out of them.
On a boot,
gonna
you
grow
want
out
it
of
to be
every
a whole
shoe.
size bigger. Chanel, is that the right way? I thought the zipper goes on the outside. He can always grow into him.
So you want to put this on?
Chanel, here.
Huh. He's all, he has his other boot already. He's like ready.
Nick, Penny.
Well, let him put those
That's
on and
an
walk
8.
around.
They don't have a 7.
Johnny, you're in the way. He wants to walk around. He does this, every time I put shoes on him, before the last one's tied, he wants to get up.
No, put the other boot on him.
She always does weird stuff like that.
She's like, let him do whatever he wants.
I know.
Hey, look it.
Put your shoe on, Ben.
Jay, put it on us.
They're too small.
No, they're not.
Put the boot on.
Okay, that's what he wanted to do. He wants to walk. Something's wrong with the other. Something's he doesn't care. Benny, do you like him? He wants to walk around is what he wants to do.
He wants like a cowboy. He wants like a cowboy, like his bowler.
Wow, Ben! Woo!
Looks like he's gonna pull out a 6-year-old.
Look at his face. He's
Come on, Ben.